Capricorn, December 2024 is bringing you big changes, especially in your career and personal growth. If you've been waiting for a breakthrough or a fresh start, this is the month that all starts to shift. Let me tell you why this December could completely redefine your path. Oh, and before we get started, could you do me a quick favor? Just give this video a like. It means so much to me and helps me keep sharing these insights with you. Also, tell me in the comments, what are you hoping for most in 2025? I'd love to know. Let's start with health. When the sun enters your sign on December 21st, your energy levels are going to get a serious boost. Think clarity, focus, and motivation. But until then, Mercury retrograde, which lasts until December 15th, might make you feel a little off balance. Maybe it's stress or just feeling like you need more rest than usual. So, here's my advice. Don't push yourself too hard early in the month. Prioritize self-care. This could be as simple as a good night's sleep or as intentional as picking up a relaxing new habit like yoga or journaling. By the time the sun shifts into Capricorn, you'll feel back to your usual powerhouse self. Starting December 11th, when Venus enters your sign, your natural charisma goes through the roof. Networking, presentations, big ideas, everything gets a golden touch. Even better, the new moon on December 1st is a fantastic time to set your sights on something new. Whether it's a promotion, launching a project, or stepping into a leadership role, this is your chance to shine. The momentum you build this month won't just carry you into January, it could shape your entire 2025. Now let's talk money. The full moon on December 15th puts a spotlight on your financial situation. It's time to get clear on what's working and what needs adjustment. This is the perfect moment to tidy up your budget or plan for a major expense. That said, with Mercury retrograde still lingering until mid-month, double-check contracts, payments, and investments. Avoid risky financial decisions before December 15th if you can. By the end of the month, everything feels smoother, and you'll have the confidence to make bold, smart moves. Here's where things get interesting. Venus in your sign from December 11th gives you a magnetic, irresistible energy. If you're single, keep your eyes open. It's very likely someone new and exciting could appear. And not just a casual fling, this energy is all about meaningful connections. For those of you in relationships, this is a beautiful time to deepen your bond. Whether it's planning a romantic getaway or simply spending more intentional time together, this month brings closeness and warmth. Trust your heart, it's guiding you in the right direction. Capricorn, December 2024 is all about transformation, especially in your career and personal growth. By the time the month ends, you'll feel like you're stepping into a whole new chapter of your life.